Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now. Welcome to 9 Hillcrest Drive in Bloomfield. This is a picture-perfect country ranch with an in-ground pool. I'm Rob Testa with Rich Testa Real Estate. Let's take a tour. Enjoy the ease and convenience of open one-floor living. With an expansive eat-in kitchen with beautiful wood cabinetry, recessed lighting, a center island with a wet bar, and a serving station with a breakfast bar. Open to the formal dining room with a chair rail and beautiful hardwood floors. And spacious living room with a bay window and sweeping country views. The first floor also features 2 spacious bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, including an owner's bedroom with a walk-in closet, a private bath, and an adjacent laundry. The excitement continues in the finished lower level with an expansive bonus room with a mid-century modern gas fireplace, plus an office area, powder room, cedar closet, and great storage. So this is my favorite part of the house. This awesome sunroom serves as exceptional flexible space, inside or outside. With rustic pine walls, a wall of windows, and a sliding glass door to the stamped concrete patio. Overlooking the resort-style backyard with an in-ground gunite pool and pool house. All complemented with gorgeous stonework, exquisite landscaping, and mature trees. The perfect place to relax all summer long with family and friends. Hillcrest Drive is a special country area with sweeping elevated views that will take your breath away. Also minutes to the village of Bloomfield.
Bloomfield is a great place to live.
It's rich in history with many things to do. All located near Canandaigua Lake and Bristol Mountain. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 9 Hillcrest Drive in Bloomfield, one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist. Cheers to living here!